If you're looking for ways to grow back your edges, your bald spots, or to just grow your hair in general, do not joke with this recipe. This recipe is so powerful. When chemicals damaged my hair and I was trying to grow my hair all over again, my hair was thinning out, breaking out, it was really weak. But after discovering natural ingredients and knowing the right way to use them, now my hair is much thicker, it's flourishing, and I just love how it looks. And because I'm not greedy, I spill all the tea to the tea on this channel, and today is one of such videos. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video so you can get all the important information you will need. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So these are my oranges. I just love eating oranges. Let me hear from you in the comment section if you love eating oranges too. But besides the benefits of eating oranges, you can use oranges directly in your hair to boost hair growth. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do this in today's video. But before getting into all that, let me give some shout out to my returning subscribers because I'm able to do these videos because of them. They come back to watch my videos, comment on them, and even share them with their loved ones. Thank you so much for the support. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. There are so many other videos you could have watched, but you decided to click on this one. And I promise you, you're really going to learn a lot from today's video. So as I said, I'm going to use my oranges today, but I'm going to use the peels, or let me say the skin. But instead of peeling the skin, I'm going to grate it because I want it in a very smooth consistency. As you grate your orange skin, make sure you do it gently so you do not get the orange juice into this recipe. We're trying to avoid getting water into this recipe. Oranges are really great when it comes to hair growth. But before telling all about the benefits of adding oranges to your hair care regimen, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your loved ones as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so I grated my orange skin and this is what I'm having now. Oranges contain vitamin C and this will help stimulate blood flow into your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. I'm going to tell you more about adding oranges to your hair care regimen later on in this video. So make sure you're not skipping any part of it and you're watching every step of this video so you do not miss any important information. The next thing I'm going to add is rosemary herbs. Feel free to use the dry one or the fresh rosemary herbs. But in this video, I'm using the dry rosemary herbs. Rosemary is also great when it comes to hair growth. I mean, it's one of the best natural ingredients that can stimulate new healthy hair growth. It improves blood circulation in the scalp, treats your scalp to give way to new hair growth, and also treats your hair strands and to prevent hair loss. At this point, I'm going to add my carrier oil. I'm using olive oil. I love olive oil because it is lightweight, it can easily penetrate into your hair strands and do the job. It is going to stop hair breakages, add some shine to your hair. It can also treat your scalp. But guess what? You do not have to use the same carrier oil. The main ingredients are the natural ingredients in this recipe. So feel free to use any plant-based oil that works for your hair. You can use avocado oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, any oil that works best for your hair. Just add it to the two ingredients, and at this point we're going to use the double boiler method to infuse the ingredients with the oil. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it, because I really enjoyed filming this video. So please show your girl some love if you haven't done so already by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your loved ones as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair problems or to grow their hair much faster. Alright, so I left this oil in the water for about 20 minutes or till it was warm to touch. After that, I set it aside to cool down for a couple of hours. You can also leave it for the next day. Then the next thing you're going to do is to strain your oil. Oranges are great when it comes to hair growth. They contain vitamin C, and vitamin C will help stimulate blood circulation into your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. Oranges also can help nourish your scalp and prevent scalp issues like dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that you might be having. Again, when you have dull, brittle hair and your hair is so out of life, adding this recipe to your hair care regimen will bring your hair back to life. It's going to make it flourish. It is going to help prevent hair loss, hair breakages, and hair thinning. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to add my essential oil. And the first one I'm going to add is my sweet orange oil. Since I'm making the orange oil itself, I decided to add the essential oil to it to maximize its benefit. The sweet orange oil by itself is going to help improve blood circulation in your scalp to stimulate new healthy hair growth. Aside its many benefits, it is also going to add an amazing fragrance to this recipe. I'm also going to add my lavender essential oil. Also, the fragrance of lavender essential oil is out of this world. But aside that, it also has its own benefits. It is also going to treat your scalp, help improve the strength of your hair strands, and also help you grow new healthy hair. I added few drops of each essential oil, but you do not have to add the same essential oil. You can even skip them, or you can add any essential oil of your choice. I'm also going to add vitamin E oil. When you want to grow your hair much faster or you want to grow healthier hair, you must be incorporating vitamin E oil to your hair care regimen because it's going to stop hair breakages and help you strengthen your hair strands. It is also going to improve the lifespan of this oil and prevent it from being oxidized. So after adding everything, I'm going to give it a good stir and my oil is ready. This oil is so powerful. It is going to help stop hair breakages, hair fall, and hair thinning. Just a little will go a long way. Apply this on your scalp, on your bald spot, on your edges, and just massage it with your fingers. It smells amazing. You're going to love this recipe, and it works really well. Just make sure you're really consistent with it and do not joke with it. You can also use this oil to seal in moisture in your hair. On your wash days, after applying your leave-in conditioner, you can go in with this oil to seal in that moisture before putting your hair in a protective hairstyle. Let me know your thoughts on this recipe in the comment section, and in case you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, but before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. Bye!